Good morning, beautiful people. I hope you're all doing well. My apologies for not posting a video yesterday. But today's one, yeah, it's going for me as well. You know, baggage. The theme for today: baggage. Baggage can slow you down. So I know not everyone listening to me is a vehicle expert, so I'm gonna try and make it as simple as possible. But if you take a vehicle like this one I'm driving is a 1200, and then you will also get a motorbike that is also a 1200 engine. So sometimes there's not a lot of difference in the engines, more on the fact that it's not built for that vehicle type. But if you look at the engine strength and capacity, that's similar. That's why I say the 1200cc compared to a 1200cc. But then if you see a vehicle on the road with that engine capacity, it's much lower than a motorcycle with the same engine capacity. And that's where my topic comes in for today, and that's baggage. Because if you look at the vehicle is bigger. The vehicle takes 4 people worth, and it has a place where you can put more luggage. So that vehicle has to carry a lot with that same engine, of which a motorcycle is smaller, can take 1 person with you. There's no space for luggage. You can have a backpack on, but that's it. And you will see that motorcycle is fast. So that's why I wanted to get to the scenario, is because that's how life is. Sometimes we want to carry so much things with us, and that at the end is slowing us down so much. And you look at others with the same values, same engine capacity as you, and they just moving. And that is because of baggage. So my motivation for you today is that it's not that you can't do it, it's that you need to get rid of certain things. If it's the people in your life that you're just taking along, get rid of them. If it's even just a lot of earthly things like luggage, get rid of it. Move forward. That's the most important of all my messages, that you must just keep on moving forward. Don't let baggage slow you down. So I hope you understand this one. But yeah, keep on moving forward. Thank you. Have a blessed day.